Thank you. Back lat press. Pose number 6, back lat press. Stage director, please adjust it. Thank you. Now the seventh pose. Front thigh and abs. Front thigh and abdomens. Thank you. Now the main pose, most muscular chain pose.